So hello everyone, for this video I will be showing you how to manage products, services, properties, and listings on your business. So we are currently on the home page and we'll be selecting the I'm a business, and in here you can click the manage business, and this is the current UI, but we're currently enhancing this one, so just disregard the UI for now. So let's navigate to the listing, and you can see here the products I added to the business, and it's currently under the business I registered in Entrepreneurs.com, and we can edit and delete a product from here. We can also access that one from the panel by clicking the manage listing. Now for adding a product, you just need to open the click the menu, and it will open the panel where you can see the section here for posting and selling your service, products, current or properties. So if you're going to add a product, just click this one and it will open a form. So this will open this UI where you can select where to add that product. So if you're going to add that under this or under the alliance or any business that you registered in Entrepreneurs.com, so you can choose here. Then you can add a uh, primary product image or a cover of your product. And for the additional product images, we currently limit to only able to for the free account, because sometimes the uploaded images is high resolution and we need additional storage. That's why we limit that one to only the premium account. But for the free account, you can actually post products unlimited as of September 2025, so you can add as many as you can for your business. Just skip this one for the additional product image. This will serve as additional images that will highlight your product, so it actually cannot affect your selling. So you can add here in the product name, category, and the specification, and it will then reflect on the customer side. So on the customer side, when they click this and buy products, it will display in here and your customers can search for that. Now, in addition to that, you also have the access to the business center where you can check, for example, this one, and navigate to your products. You can see all your products in here, and you can copy this business page so that you can link this one on your Facebook or social media account, so that your customers can directly um, navigate to your online shop and order your products. So that's it for adding. Just need to click the menu and select any of these four. So currently we have four. Just click any of this that works for your business or in line with your business, and it will open a form. So let's try this service. It will also this, and also for the car, and also for the properties for apartments, condominiums, house in lot, etc. So you can add them here. So it will also be added to the properties. When the user click on the customer, they can then choose to buy or rent a properties in here. So for example, this one, they can then schedule a viewing or contact you in case, but this one is system generated. So let's go back to the previous one, this one. So you can contact the agent or the seller or schedule a viewing for this property. Thank you.